welcome back to my channel. Today I will be customizing this 360 wig and getting it ready to install on my client. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove this band completely. So we don't want that there. So you just basically get some small scissors or a seam ripper, and you're gonna, the thread is very small and thin, so you really have to pay attention, but you're just gonna carefully clip that thread, and it should come off easily. So that's the first thing we're gonna do here, making sure not to cut the lace. 360 wigs are great for, high ponytail styles. So now I mixed my BW2 bleach with 20 volume developer, and I am lightly tapping it on the lace. I do push it in a little bit, but not too much, because you don't want it to run over into the hair. Now this is after I've washed it and toned it. It looks better already. Now we're just gonna go in and lightly pluck. If you guys would like an updated customization tutorial, please hit the like and subscribe button. So we're gonna lightly pluck this, and we will be installing this wig on part 2. Again, you guys, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. I truly appreciate you taking the time out to check me out, and that's the result there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.